everyone, I am Dr. Kalpana Suresh, Medical Director and Chief Ophthalmic Surgeon from Kalpana Eye Care Hospital, Chennai. A 15-year-old girl was brought with white scar in her right eye due to injury during her childhood. She was always under constant humiliation because of this. She had not much friends in the school and never was able to attend any social functions because of the stigma. She had corneal blindness. The only solution to her problem was corneal transplantation. Cornea can be obtained only through eye donation. After death of a person, various organs can be donated and can be surgically transplanted to the patients who need them. One such organ is the eye. By donating eyes after death, a corneal blind person can see again through a surgical procedure known as corneal transplantation. What is eye donation? Eye donation is an act of donating one's eyes after death. Only corneal blind people can be benefited through this, not all blind people. It is an act of charity purely for the benefit of the society and is totally voluntary. Who can be an eye donor? Anyone can be an eye donor irrespective of age, gender, blood group or religion. People who use spectacles or who have diabetes, hypertension, asthma, cataract or undergone any eye surgery can still donate their eyes. Is eye donation against any religious principles or traditions? No. All religions endorse eye donation. Instead of burning or burying the eyes, it can be used to restore vision to 2 blind people. Can all blind people be cured by this? Persons who have blindness due to corneal diseases only can be benefited. Blindness due to other cause cannot be cured by eye donation. What is corneal transplantation? A corneal transplant is an operation that replaces the opaque cornea, which is the front transparent portion of the eye, with a clear cornea obtained from a human donor. Who cannot donate the eyes? Persons with AIDS, hepatitis B, C, rabies, tetanus, widespread cancers, certain neurological conditions and death of unknown cause. How quickly the corneas has to be removed? Within 6 hours after death. Does eye donation disfigure the face? Not at all. After the eyeball has been removed, the eyelids will be stitched together so that there will not be any disfigurement. Blood samples will also be taken from the donor. Is the whole eye of the donor transplanted? No, only the cornea is transplanted. Can a person who is blind due to retinal or optic nerve disease donate the eyes? Yes, provided the corneas are clear. Can a living person donate eyes? No, it is not accepted. How can I pledge my eyes? For eye donation pledge, you are required to fill the pledge form and send it to the nearest eye bank. Where to donate the eyes? Call the nearest eye bank in your location as early as possible. I have given few contacts in the description box. How many people can be benefited by one eye donation? At least a minimum of 2 people can be benefited. Will others come to know that I have donated my eyes? The identities of both donor and recipient are kept confidential. Will the donor's family pay or receive any money? No, it's illegal to buy or sell human organs. In case of person's death, what are the instructions to be followed? Contact the nearest eye bank as quickly as possible. Close the eyelids of the donor. Place a wet piece of cotton or a cloth over the closed eyelids so that cornea doesn't become dry when the eye bank team arrives. Switch off the fan. Keep the AC on. Raise the head end slightly by placing a pillow underneath. Is it necessary to take donor to the hospital? No, you just need to contact the eye bank team. The team will come to the donor's residence or the hospital where the death has occurred. Is there any other formality to be done for eye donation? Yes, eye donation can be done only with the written consent of the next of kin in the presence of 2 witnesses. Will eye donation delay any funeral arrangement? No, it has to be performed within 6 hours and leaves no disfigurement that will interfere with the common funeral practice. My patient underwent corneal transplant surgery and regained vision back. It was a turning point in her life. She was relieved of all the social stress and stigma and is being followed up till date for the past 20 years now. Eye donation should be encouraged in a large scale as one of the best means of social service. To enable other person obtain vision is one of the best forms of charity. Even after death, the donor lives in the eyes of the recipient. Hope this information on eye donation is useful to you all. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.